Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to have you here for this segment where we will delve into some crucial tips and tricks to help you thrive on TikTok and discover your unique niche on the platform. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. One of the keys to success on TikTok is finding your niche and sticking with it. Many successful TikTokers create a specific type of content and stick to it. They may present similar content in slightly different ways, and this consistency can lead to viral videos. For instance, creators like the Silk Labs focus on behind-the-scenes content related to owning a small business and sharing videos about making their products and the growth of their business over time. Finding the right content niche is essential, and once you do, continue creating content within that niche, albeit with variations. Building an audience from scratch requires a strategic approach. Experimentation with various content types is key to understanding what resonates with viewers. This initial phase is akin to a creative exploration where you are testing the waters to find the winning formula that captivates your audience. It is important to remain patient and adaptable during this process, as it may take time to strike the right chord. Once you have identified the content that garners the most engagement, focus on consistently producing similar material to strengthen your online presence. This consistency will establish a clear brand identity and encourage sustained interest from your growing audience. Niche consistency is a cornerstone of successful content creation. Staying within your defined niche is not only vital for growth, but it is also instrumental in attracting an audience that genuinely resonates with your brand's message. When you deviate from your established niche, you risk diluting the unique value proposition that initially drew followers to your platform. While staying from your niche may temporarily draw in some followers, they might not be the right fit for your brand's long-term goals. By maintaining focus and delivering content that aligns with your niche, you will be more likely to foster a dedicated and loyal audience that shares a genuine interest in what you have to offer. Or another tip is to close the TikTok app as soon as you have posted your video. Some viewers suggest that doing so can help your videos go viral. The idea is that TikTok wants to send you notifications to entice you to reopen the app. By resisting the urge to reopen immediately, your video may gain more exposure. While it is not confirmed, some users have found this strategy effective. Another tip is emphasizing the importance of creating standalone content. Unlike platforms like YouTube, where viewers often watch multiple videos in a series, TikTok is more focused on individual video consumption. Your content should be designed to make sense and be enjoyable on its own. This ensures that viewers who stumble upon your video can engage with it without needing to watch previous content for context. And our final tip is to watch for shadow bans. Shadow banning occurs when TikTok's algorithms detect some form of violation, resulting in reduced exposure for your account. While TikTok has not officially confirmed shadow banning, many users have reported experiencing sudden drops in engagement for unexplained reasons. Actions like replying to every comment or rapidly liking videos may be flagged as a spam behavior, potentially leading to shadow bans. If this happens to you, try to avoid violating TikTok's guidelines, and in some cases, you may not need, or should I say, you may need to wait for your account to return to normal. And there you have it, a compilation of valuable tips and tricks to boost your TikTok success. Keep in mind the importance of discovering your niche, staying committed to it, closing the app after posting, creating standalone content, and staying vigilant against shadow bans. TikTok presents an incredible opportunity for content creators and businesses to connect with a vast audience, so seize it to the fullest. If you are considering launching an online business, Shopify is your one-stop solution. I have even put together a playlist about it that you should definitely check out. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, dropping your questions in the comments, and subscribing to our channel for more invaluable tips and insights. We release new videos daily to assist you in growing and thriving in the online business world. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.